First thing I have to do in this Dio project, now that I'm ready to install the engine, I've got to get things cleaned up. I've got sockets and tools, all kinds of crap everywhere. I got it over hell's half acre. That's American for all over. And officially, the name of this building of the motor is going to be called Operation Dio. I heard that somewhere. I don't know where, but it sounded like a really cool name, so I changed all my videos to that name. I don't know where I heard it from, but it sounds really cool. Anyway, I have to go to my other shop, clean it up, clean this up, get everything put in order before I begin installing this engine. Okay.